This video content is not intended for children.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the super sponsored brand name fishing show. I'm your host, Bro Manson. Realistic Fishing sent over some clips to put on my show. He's on vacation. He can't do it right now. He said he caught a bass in a pond. Woo, pond bass. So lit. He also said a stranger took him out in a boat and he caught a smallmouth bass. I don't think I've ever caught a smallmouth bass. Maybe I'm too busy trying to get sponsors and not catching enough fish. Nah. Anyway, check out these clips from Realistic Fishing. I gotta get back to working on my thumbnails. Oh.
Little dink. I see him jump at it.
Where did those chairs come from?
I don't know. They've been sitting there now for about 2 years. What is that you said?
It's called a Whopper Plopper. It's like a tailspin. Yeah, it's like a topwater walking bait, but it has a little tail on the back. Oh, another little bite. Kind of small. What do you think? Smallmouth?
Could be. There's a lot of smallmouth down through here. Oh,
Got him. All right. Let's see what it is. Pretty small. Hey, smallie.
Yep. Down fish. I've got a net there if you get any big ones.
All right.
There you go. Good start. I love catching smallmouth.
First fish of the day. Get off of there. I got the whole thing.
Big bass.
Hey, got him.
Stay on there. Let's spit it out. See the little one. Oh, he spit it out.
Get out. I don't think I'm getting that out. All right. Looks like a largie. Nice.
Not bad.
Good one.
All right, I'm out here. Let's go get some soft plastics from the car and go back to that pond. See if we can't catch another fish.
All right, here's what I'm starting out with. We got a Yum Pulse minnow, right? Little paddle tail swim bait. Let's see if I can get a bite on this. So far, nothing. I thought I had a bluegill following it there for a second, but that's about it. Might have to switch it up to something else. Maybe some top water. Oh, did I have a bite down there? I felt like I might have had a bite. Could have been a bluegill, I don't know. Ooh, I see a swirl down there. I think there might be a bass down there somewhere. Let's try again. Got him. Yeah, there was a bass down there. All right. Fish on. Oh, feisty. All right, let's lift him out of there. Nice. 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 Nice 1.5 pounder here. Got a little bit of a bloody tail, so that says it was spawning recently, or it just got done anyway. Yeah, good looking fish. Got him right down there in the corner of this pond on my Yum Pulse minnow. Let's walk over here and let him go. I'm glad I got one fish. So far, that's 2 bass in this little pond.
So there we have it. Realistic fishing out there catching fish. Maybe I should learn how to fish. Anyway, bromancing out.